Let's now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Commission on Election Suffragettes. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1, Shandaman Lapid. Millbucker, number 6, Shaila Tan. Setter and their team captain at number 9, Jane Yuma. Outside hitter, number 11, Judith Abil. Opposite hitter, number 13, Audrey Rose Nocon. Millbucker, number 18, Danica Gendrauli. Starting libero at number 14, attorney Kat Rodriguez. Head coach of Comelec, Mr. Ricky Marcos. Calling on our judiciary justice servers. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 2, Lily Boras. Millbucker, number 6, Lerma Tupog. Setter, number 10, Tadayo Boko. Millbucker, number 16, Joan Pijak. Opposite hitter, number 17, Kat Dolorosa. Outside hitter, number 18, Jenny Yaboy. Starting libero at number 9, Sheena Castillo. Head coach of Judiciary, Mr. Arnaldo Dino. It's the Comelec Suffragettes versus the Judiciary Justice Servers. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
We're back here at the Paco Arena as we take a look at the starting lineups ng Suffragettes. Kasama dyan. Actually, ba nga? Oh, yeah. Si Odds Nocon, attorney Odds Nocon, who we featured earlier today. Mantala, they're going to go up against Judiciary. This team coming off back-to-back losses. And will try to bounce back today. So, si Bejek and Yuboko are their starting imports in today's game. So here we go, set number 1. Lerma Tubog will serve to get us going.
You know, very alive ang bench ng Judiciary, ah. We're all excited to see how this match is going to turn out.
And
wow!
Judith Abil delivers the first blow.
Oh, with a bang agad si Judith Abil. Judiciary has to watch out for her because she also delivers from the service zone. There's that hit of Abil.
And a service ace, so back-to-back points para kay Abil to put Suffragettes up 2-0.
Kita mo yung serve niya eh, yung bola talagang it was floating in the air. Ayan o, look at that. Hindi gumagalaw, kaya mabigat yung bagsak nun.
That one is outside for the first point ng Justice Servers. Aleli Boras serving 1-2 ang ating talaan.
Oh, nobody ran after that ball.
A really bad pass from Gendrauli.
Good serve by Boras.
So bumawi din with an ace ang Justice Servers and the game is tied at 2. Another short pass. Abil mula sa back row. Yuboko. Bejek outside.
Bejek asking for a touch but none is given. Medyo mataas yung palo niya. So now ito na si Attorney Nocon.
One of the busiest employees ng Comelec with the amount of work she's doing both in Comelec, outside, and of course her duties as a player para kay Coach Ricky Marcos and the Suffragettes. Gendrauli, yes!
Kanina si Judith Abil came out with a bang. Ito rin si Gendrauli din. Coming out with a bang.
So a 2-point run for the Suffragettes. Lerma Tubog with a nice pass. Ito si Bejek will try again. Nocon with a nice dig. Abil. Another good pass. And Yuboko with a 1-2 play.
Yeah, Yuboko before kasi hitter to eh. And then now, ano siya, setter for the judiciary. And, you know, she's very keen in the attacks. Kaya pag nakuha niya yung on-2, pag alam niyang kaya, kukunin niya yon.
That stops the 2-point run ng Suffragettes. Better pass mula kay Gendrauli.
Nice. Good coverage.
Bejek on the 1-2. Down the line, inangat ni Boras. Bejek again, yes!
Yun, mas malakas now, you know, di ba, kung bakit binibigyan si Bejek in front. Napakalakas ng kamay. The blocker was there, but the Gendrauli was just late.
Very aggressive early si Bejek. Serve very low for Dolorosa. So after a 2-point run, namigay ng isang puntos ang Justice servers. So lalamang ng isa ang Suffragettes. Served by Yumang. Bejek again, short on the tip.
Miscommunication between Yuboko and Bejek. Yuboko trying to run a faster play because nandyan nga si Gendrauli in front. That's why she put up a low set.
So 2-point run naman para sa Suffragettes. Bejek off speed, inangat ni Abil. Yumang to Gendrauli, cross court, got it.
Gendrauli game-faced. Agad siya. There goes that setup. She's a little bit far. She had to adjust a little bit, but her eye is always keen on those open zones. And she was able to deliver the point.
7-4. This is a 3-point run para sa Suffragettes. Good pass, Yuboko to Bejek. What a dig. Wala kay Shaila Tan. Chance ball para sa Justice servers. Another 1-2 play. Gendrauli picking it up. Gendrauli with a hit, and it is outside.
Good eye there by the Justice servers. Binabantayan din nila itong si Gendrauli, Boras, allowing that ball to go. And talagang pinabayaan na niya dahil nga wide.
So Bejek with a nice serve.
Yeah.
Yumang inangat. Shaila Tan sends it over underhand. Short pass mula kay Bejek. Tubog is blocked by Gendrauli. Papalo si Yuboko. Nagkaagawan 2 players and that will fall short yung palo ni Abil.
You know, pareho sila, no? Parang ngayon, pag tinitingnan mo itong two teams na to, both of them want to dictate the tempo of the game. But every time that one team gets the tempo, sinisira nung kabilang team. So up to now, we're still deciding who is controlling the game.
Justice servers on a 2-point run. Gendrauli, inangat ni Boras. Yuboko, yabut ang papalo. It's short. That will stop their 2-point run.
And you know, if you're the player sa Justice servers, gusto mo yung setter mo, yung leader mo, hindi nagagalit sa'yo pag nagko-commit ka ng mistake. And that's what Yuboko did, no? In-encourage pa niya ang kanyang teammates na pwede silang bumawi on the next.
Danica Gendrauli will serve as we check in with Tiffany Fran.
Hi, Eric and Checky. I was speaking to the coach of our Judiciary Justice servers, and Tally, unfortunately, is not with us today. And this is her second absence in season 2. One was for a sick leave, and the other was because she had to attend to her full-time job. But now, coach is saying that we are banking on players such as Arnie, Lerma, Dada, and of course, Joanne Bajak. Back to you.
Thank you, Tiffany. Yep, wala si Attorney Tally Inting on the bench. But despite that, sabi nga ni Chiki kanina, a very lively bunch as always. Off-speed hit by Abil. And it's a 2-point run for the Suffragettes to lead by 4.
Si Judith Abil kasi has a wide range in her arsenal. Pwede siyang soft hit, rolled shots, and pwede rin siyang hard hits. And that one was a rolled shot on the middle.
And a
Zone
timeout
6.
here by Coach Arnaldo Dino. We'll listen in to the Justice servers.
Ka abutin dahil nakaibabaw sa'yo. Gawin mo, labasan mo ng konti. Pag nakita mo na umibabaw, labasan mo ng konti. Oh, pag tumalon si Lerma, yung dalawang gilid, alalay na kagad yun. Takbo na kagad. Okay? malakas ang zona nito. No, lalo na pag humarap dito, 5 yan, magdadala ng 5 ng bola. Kaya kailangan yung tao rito, naka-ready ka na para bangga ng bola. Okay, tumaas ang bola, di ganito. Okay? O, again, kuha tayo ng first ball, mabigat sa service.
Naman, diba? Yung approach na bigang dahan-dahan.
Galawan na natin, tulungan natin yung blocker natin sa harapan. Go!
Justice!
Again, very critical, no, yung positioning, how you wait for the ball. You have to know the tendencies of your opponents. Saan ba sila madalas pumapalo? Cross court ba? Down the line ba? Hulog lang ba sila ng hulog? So all these, kinakalculate na yan ng player habang hinihintay yung bola.
4-point game. Ang masakit dito para sa Justice Servers, they have 5 errors already. Dalawa lang para sa Suffragettes. Shyla Tan is short. That's going to be their 3rd error.
Reminder lang from the referee na yung bola dapat sa side binibigay. Si Shyla kasi medyo na-frustrate siya dun sa palo niya. Rinol niya yung bola under. Normally kasi ganun, di ba?
Yeah.
Sa mga liga-liga.
Yabut with the serve. Gentrauli to Yumang. Ito si Abil, papalo. Oh, Yabut diving for the dig, pero third touch goes awry para dito sa Justice Servers.
No, ang Comelec na balik agad nila yung punto sa kanila no after the error from Shyla. And hindi malakas yung palo ni Abil, placement ang ginawa niya. That's why sinabi nga ni coach kanina na bantayan yung mga zones.
Good pass by Bejek. Ito si Yuboko to Boras with a push. Yes!
Nice read there by Bora. She was able to see the merong malaking butas in between zones 1 and 2. Kaya tinulak niya doon. Ayan. Puntos para sa kanyang kupunan.
8 serving 11. Nice serve by Yuboko, but a
Yeah.
good pass mula kay Gendrauli. Abil with a push. Lerma to Boras. Inangat ni Gendrauli. Battle at the net. And that's gonna be... Is that 2 touches? What is that? 2 touches. Yeah. Against Yumang.
I thought there was a touch from Boras. Yun kasi yung riniklamo ni Yumang.
Oo.
But our referee said, no touch.
Our referees, Ryan Corpus, first referee. Marlon Macabenta is our second referee. Almost an overpass. But Boras very quick at the net and converts that into a point.
So you could see ang judiciary, they're very aggressive in their attacks. And sila, fast also on their floor defense.
So after being down by 4, Yuboko and company can tie in this rally. Overpass again. Matubog, Yuboko, hinabon yung bola after serving for the second touch. Boras with a hit. And there it is. The game is tied off a pass to the net na hindi na naangat ni Yumang.
Oh, kasi yung mga first balls masyadong dikit para kay Yumang na nahihirapan siyang buhayin yung bola. Ayan, no? Lagi kasing napupunta sa may net. So they have to be able to control the first ball.
Well, it's tough because ang ganda ng serve ni
That's right.
Yuboko. Bejek with a pass. Lerma Tubog, cross court. Shyla Tan with a difficult dig. Bejek passes Yuboko to Boras. Abil. Oh, pinabayaan ni Bejek.
Twice na yon na very slow lang yung mga hits ni Abil but she's able to find the zones. Look at that lob. It's a lob hit to zone 5.
So doon natapos yung 4-point run ng Justice Servers. Lalamang ulit ang Suffragettes by 1. What a high-arcing serve mula kay Shyla Tan. Lerma Tubog. Another pass to the net.
Buhay.
Good save from the back. Oh! But the overpass by Nokon goes outside.
It was a simple ball over. She was just a bit aggressive in that ball. Ayan, natawa na lang si attorney sa sarili niya.
Daming energy ni attorney.
Oo.
Abil. Yumang. Judith Abil will catch the line. Yep.
So pinapakita sa atin ni Abil, hindi lang siya pang slow balls, pati pang fast balls. Look at that hit. What an angle the hit to zone 5.
6 of the 13 points ng Suffragettes galing dyan sa nagsiserve na yan, si Judith Abil. Gets another ace. That's going to be ace number 2 para kay Abil.
And she started the momentum for her team and she's building it.
$14 serving 12. Bejek with a short pass, underhand set para kay Yuboko. Bejek is rejected by Gendrauli. Oh, nagkagawa doon. Bejek is down. Gendrauli. What a save, pero not enough for a third touch.
But you know, if you're the coach, gusto mo yung nakikita mo sa judiciary na talagang palaban sila, yung mga bolang patay. Alam mong hindi na kayang i-over, hinahabol pa rin nila. And, you know, hard-working players on the floor.
Good pass by Lerma Tubog. Yuboko with a tough back set. Oh, nice
Oh,
save.
wow! Nobody was on!
Save para kay Attorney Fernando, and that ends up into an easy point para sa Suffragettes.
Ang galing naman ng ginawa ng Comelec kasi talagang, ayan o, binasa nila kung saan may butas at doon dinala ang bola for a short point.
Back to the biggest lead para sa Suffragettes at 4 points. Bejek. Good pass by Abil. Ito si Gendrauli. And that'll be the biggest lead now para sa Suffragettes. They're up by 5.
You really gotta watch Gendrauli because yung arm niya, kaliwete siya eh. Tapos yung arm niya, very strong pa. So you need to be able to put that ball up na dalawa yung kamay as much as possible. Wag one-handed lang. Now, Pesebre is back on the floor. So tignan na natin. You know, it's interesting na hindi siya nag-start usually, di ba, Eric?
Yep.
Nasa first 6 si Pesebre.
Off the bench today.
Yeah.
Replacing Bejek. It's now a 5-point lead.
Good save.
Dolorosa, but the third touch, no good para kay Castillo. So it's going to be a 6-point advantage para sa Suffragettes now as we check in with Tiffany Fran.
Eric, Checky, I was talking to our Comlex Suffragettes earlier, and they are a team that really gels well together. They bond over time after practice. They have lunch together, and that's one of the things that really affects and influences their chemistry as a team off and on court. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Tiffany. Let's listen to this timeout ni Coach Dino.
Kailangan susundan nyo yung bola. Navigate nyo kung saan pumunta yung bola, habulin nyo. Okay? Kaya naman eh. Humabol lang nga tayo eh. Binitawan na naman natin yung depensa. Babalikan na naman tayo sa ganun. Umaasa na naman tayo kung sinong kukuha ng bola natin. Okay? Paresibin mo yan. I-atras mo kasi nakabutas ng butas yung gitna. Atras mo yan. Kaya naman rumisib. Atras mo siya para yung tatlong receiver natin. So dalawa na sa likod. Ha? O go. Kuha tayo first ball. Kasarap si Pesebre.
Ganun tayo? Saan tayo sa bola? Justice! Service!
Defense talaga, ano yan eh, sobrang importante, hindi lang puro offense. Kasi pag wala kang defense, wala kang offense, hindi mo matataas yung bola. Makakapuntos yung kalaban kasi babagsak yung bola sa turf mo. So, the defense has to be on their toes, quick to respond, quick to react.
Sabi nga ni Coach Dino, we already tied the game kanina pero pinakawalan natin. Let's see if they can make a run again. They erased a 4-point deficit, but right now they are down by 8. Beg your pardon, 6 points. Ito na yung pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Suffragettes. Yumang, Gendrauli, bang!
Again, si Gendrauli in the middle. She's able to hit that ball kasi maganda yung first ball. Kita mo si Yumang, hindi na tumakbo, hindi na naglakad. Inakyat na lang yung kanyang mga kamay to set up Gendrauli.
No more timeouts remaining, by the way, for the Justice servers. Samantalang si Coach Marcos and the Suffragettes, they have 2 timeouts remaining. Abil! Patuloy ang pag-una ng puntos para sa Suffragettes.
Yes, Abil scoring from the service zone and from the back zone. So adjustments para sa judiciary. Substitution sila.
Yep, yung entry ni Pesebre has not made a mark yet. Ngayon, nagpapalit sila ng setter. Dolorosa will check out. Pesebre. Finally, a side out para dito sa Justice servers.
Narinig ka yata ni Pesebre, Eric. Eh. Sabi niya, oh, ito na, Eric. Here goes that hit. Gendrauli was late for the block. That's why si Pesebre to the block.
Angeles will check in. Papaltan si Yabut para sa Justice servers. Gendrauli, that set too close to the net. Nagawa ng paraan. Yuboko. Pesebre again. No, this one. Oh, that didn't cross the net. Yeah, that was a very late call by Ryan Vincent Corpus. That's gotta be 4 touches.
Yeah. But they're saying, tumama daw sa kamay ni Gendrauli.
No. Well, we don't have. We can replay it, but there's no challenge here.
Ito, replay. There's that setup. Ito yung palo. Oh, malayo si Gendrauli.
It didn't touch. It took a while for Ryan Corpus to make the call, but that's the right call. Pesebre. This time, that could have been out. Kinuha ni Abil. Gendrauli off speed. Inangat ni Angeles. Yuboko back to Pesebre. Nice up para kay Hernan. Abil will send it across. Yuboko. This time, Angeles papalo. Good up para kay attorney Fernando. Abil from the back row. Pass by Boras. Pesebre with the tip. Pesebre again. And again. Attorney Fernando defending very well mula sa likod. Angeles. Abil with the pass. Long rally. Gendrauli. And Lerma Tubog with the dig. And this one, tinawid ni Pesebre. One-two play para kay Yuboko. That toss way outside para kay Gendrauli.
Again, you gotta love the energy dito sa judiciary. Because they're talking inside the court. They're moving around. Walang nakatayo lang. And they were able to cause Comelec to commit an error.
7-point game. 14 serving 21. Yumang. Nice hit. Para kay Manlapit. Abil with the save. Gendrauli with the power tip. And she scores.
Nice. Ganda ng setup ni Abil kay Gendrauli. Look at that. It was so ripe for Gendrauli to attack on too.
Balik sa 8. Ang kalamangan ng Suffragettes, their biggest lead of the opening set. Yumang serving. Tapos yung tip.
Good idea. Good idea. Yun lang. Hindi nag-over yung bola.
And it's now the biggest lead at 9 points para kina Yumang and the Suffragettes. 23-14. That's way short para kay Yumang. Mitch Alcanza, sometimes a playing coach, checks in for the first time today. Bad pass, Shaila Tan keeping it up. Pero hindi nakaabot si Abil for the third touch.
Good serve from Pesebre. Very strong, loaded. So nag-aayos ngayon ng formation, receiving formation ang Comelec. Alam nila malakas ang service ni Pesebre. And good call by the teammates. They were by the end zone. So when the ball was still high, shoulders and above, they let it go.
All right, so it is 8 set points. Suffragettes 24, serving 16, opening set. Ganda sana pero malakas.
Alam mo parehong teams aggressive sila from the service zone eh. Gusto nila malakas, gusto nila pahirapan yung kanilang mga kalaban.
Angeles serving. Abil will try to put it away. And yes, she will be able to.
And that's it.
Abil in double digits with 10 points. Only player in double digits for both teams. And a comfortable first set win after that shot by Judith Abil para sa Comelec Suffragettes in the opening set kontra sa Judiciary Justice Servers. Comelec Suffragettes putting together a 25-17 win against Judiciary Justice Servers. Let's take a look at the numbers after the first set.
So the attack points, 14-7. Again, good first balls. They were able to give the balls sa middle. Si Jen Rowley na paandar nila. Service aces, Comelec had more. 1 point lang naman, pero it carried a lot of weight, literally. Mahirap kasi i-receive yung yung services, and the first one who delivered a service ace was Judith Abil, and she only not set the momentum in the beginning, but she maintained it for the whole team.
So clearly more aggressive itong Suffragettes against the Justice Servers. Let's see if things can even up dito sa set number 2. Both teams are coming off losses. Para sa Judiciary, it's worse because they're coming off back-to-back losses. Samantalang ang Comelec, they came off a win before they lost against AFP, which was their last game coming into this meeting against Judiciary.
Diba pag ikaw yung team and you come off a loss, gusto mong win agad eh.
Oo,
Kung
bawi.
hindi, parang yung yung momentum mo, yung desire mo to play, parang naa-affect yan eh,
Right.
diba?
Judith Abil with 10 points already will get us going. Set number 2, and we start off with another ace. Parang pareho lang yun yung first set.
Oo. And that's why Abil is always the first server for Comelec.
Kagulat eh. 3 aces already para kay Abil. And
Look at
she has
that.
11. Make that 4 aces pala para kay Abil. 11 points in total. Almost an ace. Yeah,
Another ace.
should be credited as an ace.
Oh, there you go. Na out of system niya eh. Halos hindi na rin yun naibalik.
What a start here para kay Abil and the Suffragettes.
Nice serve again.
This time an overpass, chance to set it up. Noko nag-agawan with Manlapit, so it's a chance ball para sa Justice Servers. Pesebre. Yumang, wait a minute. And that's double contact kontra kay Yumang. A little late din yung whistle, but it came anyway.
Mahirap kasi pag tumatakbo yung setter tapos doon niya mahahawakan yung bola, chances are hindi sabay yung kamay tumama sa ball. That's why double contact.
Good pass, Yumang. Gendrauli. Inangat ni Boras. Pesebre will set it to Angeles. And Lapit with the pass. Gendrauli, nice tip.
Good coverage.
Verhel. Angeles, yes!
Sila din, di ba? Judiciary, kaya din namin yun. Look at this. Good dig there by Verhel. Yeah.
So a 2-point run to answer that quick start ng Suffragettes para sa Justice Servers. Gendrauli, cross court, inangat ni Lerma Tubog. Angeles, Manlapit with the dig. Gendrauli. Mitch Alcanza. Pesebre will score.
Yeah, that was a running hit by Pesebre. So you could just imagine yung lakas ng bola niya.
3 straight points scored by the Justice servers. Lamang na sila ngayon ng isa. Yumang. Gendraudi, that's it, too close to the net. Nice block by Pesebre. That's converted into another point. So 4 straight scored by the Justice servers.
Mukhang magkaibigan itong si Yumang at saka si Pesebre. Nag-uusap sila in the middle.
Manlapit with the pass. Yumang to Gendraudi. Good defense mula sa back row ng Justice servers. That's what's keeping them here. And they score their 5th straight point off a shot by Angeles.
And when you're Judiciary, you really want to get the momentum right away because you know the strength of your opponent.
Napauna sa 2 ang Suffragettes. Meanwhile, 5 na ang sunod-sunod na pinuntos ng Justice servers. Gendraudi finally stops the run ng Justice servers.
Again, si Gendraudi targeting this hard angle between zones 4 and 5.
Attorney Docon with a serve. Mitch Alcancia sets it up for Pesebre. Oh, nice. Big para kay Attorney Nocon.
Oo.
There's Gendraudi. Inangat na naman ni Lerma Tubog. Angeles. Abil picks it up. And Gendraudi. Mitch Alcancia pumasa. Verhel. Here's Pesebre. Sainatan with the up. Gendraudi. Another long rally. Angeles. Alcancia with the underhand pass. Gendraudi ulit. Mitch Alcancia popping it up. And the second touch is no good para kay Verhel.
You know, Verhel is performing really well here. Nabubuhay niya yung bola, naangat niya. And this one, look at the effort. Kung ikaw ang Judiciary, you're happy that she's in your team.
So a 2-point run ang sagot dito ng Suffragettes. Nice serve.
Yeah.
Verhel. Pesebre.
Gendraudi with a hit. Oh, that went in between 2 back row defenders. What an angle for Gendraudi. She was able to find the floor. Score for Comelec.
So sumugot naman, 3 straight points. Sila Attorney Nocon and the Suffragettes. They tied the game at 5. It's been a game of runs dito sa set number 2. Pesebre. Yes!
Nicely done. Alam mo, kung ikaw si Pesebre, talagang ilalagay mo na lang yan Hinabol niya yung bola, Off position din siya. So, she knows zone 6 is always open. Kaya walang isip-isip, doon na niya re-roll yung shot niya.
5 points para kay Larnie Pesebre. Mantala, Jennifer Verhel with a serve. Looking for her first points. Gendraudi, cross-court. Nakuha ni Mitch Alcancia. Lerma Tubog to Pesebre. Blocked partially. What a save by Gendraudi. Alcancia, back to Pesebre. Inangat ni Attorney Fernando. Here comes Manlapit. Pesebre to Alcancia. Back to Pesebre. There's Abil with the dig. Gendraudi. Oh!
May halong gigil yung palo ni Gendraudi.
So, 2-point run naman ulit para sa Justice servers to lead by 2 points. Gendraudi, wait a minute.
There's a double contact again. Called on Yumang.
Very strict si first referee Ryan Corpus regarding hands ng setters here in this match. 3-point run now para sa Justice servers. Verhel has been serving very well. Gendraudi. Alcancia angat. And there's Pesebre with the point as we check in again with Tiffany Fran.
Chicky and Eric, Judiciary Justice servers are up in this set, and I wanted to talk about Alali Boros, who has been performing quite well. Alali actually didn't play collegiate volleyball, but she has been putting twice as much effort, or even thrice as much effort, to be able to play and defeat the teams that she's against.
All right, thanks, Tiffany. Let's check into this huddle ni Coach Marcos.
Ito naman yung palo talaga nun di ba? Okay, wag niyo sila bibigyan ng kumpiyansa kasi pag nagtuloy-tuloy yan, lalayuan tayo niyan. Tignan niyo, yung service nila, magaan lang, di natin mapatay. Ha? Ate, sa magandang set lang, 3, 4, kaya naman niya yan Ha? Go, 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 go!
O nga nun, sabi nga the services kasi ng judiciary naman talaga, hindi underhand So, hindi siya ganun ka-powerful. So, pero nahihirapan pa rin sila to put up the ball. Kaya sinasabi nga ni Coach Ricky na ayos on the floor.
All right, let's see if they can turn it around. They're down by 4 points after winning by 7 in first set.
Good first ball.
Gendrauli, 9 points already. And another point. There's Pesebre with 7.
And you could see talaga nag-enjoy na ngayon ang judiciary justice servers because they are able to earn the point na talagang from hard work.
Yumang, balik kay Gendrauli. Yes!
Yung gusto kasi talaga ni Gendrauli, yung malapit yung bola sa net Mas malakas yung bola niya, yung hits niya when it's like that. Compared to pag malayo sa net.
10 points na para kay Gendrauli. Second player in double digits para sa Suffragettes as Yumang serves. Good pass by Verhel. Pesebre, inangat ni Shaila Tan. Good job by Gendrauli. There's a partial block by Gendrauli. Yumang passes. Gendrauli battles at the net and slams into the net.
Gendrauli wanted to hit that ball really hard. Tip it, power tip it. Kaya lang sa sobrang aggressive niya, ayun, sumabit siya sa net.
Balik sa 5. This is the biggest lead para sa Justice Servers. Abil. Yes. Judith Abil, she hasn't been involved sa opensa in a while.
Yun pala yung kailangan nila. A setup to Abil to stop the run.
Just the third point of Abil here in set number 2. She had 10 at the end of the first set. Gonna be a chance ball para sa Suffragettes. Abil again. Block. Earlier natubog. Abil, second try. Sa push. Inangat ni Angeles. Alcanza on a 1-2 play.
Nice set.
Gendrauli mula sa likod. One-handed dig para kay Pesebre is no good.
Good communication between Abil and Gendrauli. Kasi nakuha ni Abil yung bola So tinignan na niya si Gendrauli. And there goes that hit. It's very difficult really to get the hits of Gendrauli with just one arm. Pag one arm kasi wala masyadong control dun Kailangan talaga dalawa.
Service into the net para kay Gendrauli. That stops their 3-point run. So balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng Justice Servers. Angeles with 2 points. Looking for her first ace. Yumang back to Abil. That's outside.
A little too strong on that hit from Abil.
So back-to-back errors para sa Suffragettes. And it's a 5-point cushion para sa Justice Servers.
13, Suffragettes.
Abil with a push. Alcanza inangat. Tubog. Back to Mitch Alcanza. Yumang back to Abil. Tubog. Abil again. Angeles picking it up. Oras short on the push.
She was late dun sa kanyang push. There's that setup and from Alcancia, ayun. Pero alam mo na hindi niya papaluin because 3 fingers were open sa kamay niya. Na late lang siya.
Manlapit serving 9-13 ang ating talaan. Nagkahabol ng 4 dito ang white shirts. Back-to-back errors naman para sa Justice servers. Three-point game. Nice serve.
Yeah.
Oras. That one's outside. 3 straight errors para sa Justice servers.
And that's why very important for a player na magkaroon ng composure kahit na nakikita mo yung kalaban mo humahabol. Time out. So let's listen in.
Isipin mo na lang, nagagaling ka sa mister mo. No? Jombagin mo ng jombagin. Ibabawan mo ng ibabawan. Stupid. Pagkakataon mo na ibabaw. Ulit. Pag-ball tayo ulit. Ang galing mo na kayo mong punta. Ibutan lang ibot sa ibabaw. Pag nilatamak sa ibabaw yan, okay?
Nakakatawa si Coach Dino kasi at sabi niya kay Boras, dahil nga lumabas yung bola, isipin mo na lang, asawa mo yun. Jombagin mo ng jombagin. Kulang lang sa wrist action, kaya hindi bumaba yung bola ni Boras. That's why it sailed out.
Alright, on a 3-point run ang Suffragettes. So from down 5, 2 points lang kailangan nila to tie the game. Manlapit continues to serve.
Oh,
That timeout to Coach Dino worked wonders against the server. So just a 3-point run para sa Suffragettes. The lead is back up to 3. Para naman sa Justice servers. Yumang sets it. Abil. Alcancia underhand pass to Lerma Tubog. Yumang another high set para kay Abil.
wow. What a dig.
Ganda ng depensa both teams. Abil again. Pass coming from Castillo. There's Pesebre. Inangat ni Gendrauli. Both teams playing great floor defense.
Yeah.
Yumang. Ito na naman si Abil with the tip this time. One-handed dig is no good. Pero naitawid ni Mitch Alcancia. Longest rally so far. Abil. Again, there's an up coming from Pesebre. Pesebre back row. Yumang. Verhel with the up. Here comes Tubog. Abil again. This time it's on the line on a cross court.
Ganda ng pagkalihis ng bola ni Abil. Kita niya tinatamaan. Pag nabibigay niya sa tao, hindi nagkakamali yung floor defenders ng Judiciary. So, linihis niya yung bola, found an open zone. Puntos para sa team.
Shailatan serving 12-14. Gendrauli diving for it. Manlapit, tinawid ang bola. Chance to score. Boras. Yes!
Galing ng mata ni Boras. Wala pa sa posisyon si Gendrauli. Binalik na niya yung bola. That's why she was able to find the floor easily.
So no runs para sa Suffragettes. The lead is back to 3 para sa Justice servers. Abil. Yes!
Again, Abil proving to be one of the really go-to players of Comelec, the Justice servers. Talagang she can serve justice for her team.
15 points para kay Abil and the Suffragettes are within 2. Abil with the dig.
Good up.
And that is on the line para kay Gendrawi who now gets 12.
Ganda ng setup ni Yumang eh. Hinabol niya pero mataas yung bigay niya. Kaya nakapag-adjust ng maganda si Gendrawi.
One-point game. Chance to tie again para sa Suffragettes on the Abil serve. And here we go, Gendrawi for the tie. Good defense mula sa likod by Lerma Tubog. Gendrawi again. A tip, yes! And the game is tied at 15.
Ganda, alam mo, that was so gracefully done. Parang it's a beautiful dance in the air. Ayan, no? Artistically done. Kung kailan bumaba yung blocker, dun niya pinasok yung bola. Ang ganda.
In the meantime, Yuboko back in the game. Papatan si Mitch Alcancia. Abil and company looking for their first lead of set number 2. Pesebre. And di papayag si Pesebre. Balik sa kalamangan ang Justice Servers. 16-15.
You know, both teams are really moving well sa floor. Mabilis ang basa nila. Mabilis din ang galaw nila.
Let's check in once again with Tiffany Fran.
Becky, Eric, I have a quick story here about Dan Gendrawi, who has been performing really well in this set. And Gendrawi actually is coming from a family of athletes. She's the youngest of 3 siblings who are all athletes in their own fields. Her father was a popular basketball player, and her mom was a gymnast. So it's really in her blood, and that's what we're seeing on today's court.
All right, thanks, Tiffany.
Yeah, we can see.
14 points na para kay Gendrawi today. And the game is tied. She actually scored the point to tie it. Pero babawi na naman ang Justice Servers. Pesebre picking up her 9th point of the game to put the just on top by 1.
Alam mo, nakapagpahinga lang si Yuboko pagpasok niya. Sunod-sunod na ulit yung puntos ng team niya.
Verhel. Ooh, nobody coming for the second touch. Yumang napako sa by the net.
Kailangan talaga malakas yung sigaw ng setter eh. Kung kailangan niya ng help, she really has to shout it out loud para marinig ng teammates. Otherwise, nobody will get the second ball.
It's not even a hard serve, but every time Verhel serves,
Yes, correct.
kakaroon ng run itong Justice Server. Here's a nice block. So 2 straight points on the Verhel serve para sa Justice Servers and they're back up by 3.
Ang ganda ng basa ni Pesebre. Ayan o, kita mo, alam niyang ititip lang ni Yumang because it was close to the net. She was there to stop it.
I'm out for Coach Marcos. Pakinggan natin ang Comelec Suffragettes.
Tatayuan nyo lang yun. Wala yun. Tatayuan nyo lang yun. Tatayuan nyo lang. Kasi hindi kasi kayo nakatapat sa... Paulit-ulit ba? Dapat tatapatan yun, di ba? If nakaside lang kasi kayo, ganyan lang kayo. Tatapatan nyo. Ikot tinatapatan nyo yun. Hindi makikita nyo yun. Oy, underhand lang yung serve. Nakakailan sa atin yung underhand lang yung serve, di natin mapatay. Chance mo lang yan, ha? Kahit dalawa na kumuha ng chance ball. Chance mo lang yan, para pinipid lang yan, eh, ha? Set mo naman mga ayos, para makapalo tayo. Oy, tulungan nyo. Dito sa tayo naman.
Tulong lang. Yes! Go team, go team.
Importante talaga teamwork inside, usap inside. Sabi nga ni Coach Ricky na huwag tatalikod sa bola. Kailangan laging nakaharap. Kasi mas mahirap nga naman yan pag nakatalikod ka sa bola, di ba? Mas hindi maganda yung control compared to pag nasa kaharap mo yung bola.
So after losing by 7 points, ang Justice Servers, they're up by 3 late in set number 2. And a chance to tie the game at 1 set each.
Kaya nga nung nasabi mo, Eric, no? Every time Verhel serves, nahihirapan ang Comelec.
Finally, Gendrawi with a side out.
There's that hit by Gendrawi. The blockers were there, but she was able to find a gap in between the blocks.
15 na para kay Danica Gendrawi. And it's a 2-point game. 17 serving 19. Yuboko. Yumang. Gendrauli. Angeles with a hit. A tip by Gendrauli. Pesebre sets it for Yuboko. Ito si Gendrauli ulit. Got it!
Yeah, I knew it. Ang ganda kasi nung set malapit sa net eh. Pag malapit sa net, alam mo, hahampasin niya ni Gendrauli. And sure enough, she got the point for her team.
So back-to-back points para kay Gendrauli. And it's a one-point game once again. Chance to tie on the Yumang serve. Manlapit with the up. Oh, Abil sitting down. Naitawid pa yung bola. Boras attacking. Abil again with the dig. Gendrauli. Yuboko pushes. Shailatan with the up. Gendrauli, inangat ni Boras. What a rally. Abil with the dig. Gendrauli with the tip. And the point. And we're tied. 3 straight points para kay Danica Gendrauli to tie the game at 19.
Naman, sarap panoorin ng game na to kasi ang hahaba ng mga rallies, hindi mo alam kung sino magkakamali. And that time, Gendrauli was just tired of hitting the balls hard. So she went for a soft touch and that's the one that earned them a point.
We're now tied at 19 points.
Nice serve, but well controlled by Pesebre.
Yumang. Danica Gendrauli for the lead. Not just yet. One-handed dig over passed by Boras. Pagkakataon ulit for the lead. Vergel with the dig. Yuboko passes. Angeles. Shailatan. And here's a chance ball para sa Justice Service through the fingers of Castillo.
Alam mo, that was a smart move by Gendrauli. Off position siya eh. So kung titirahin niya yun, mas malaki yung chances na magkamali siya. So smart move. She went for an overhead pass. She controlled the speed. She controlled its direction. Point for them. Unfortunately, the service was lost.
Yun lang ang masakit doon. So 20 all.
Pesebre's now at the back, pero don't count her out kasi kahit sa likod, tumitira din si Pesebre.
Pesebre already in double digits with 10. Wait a minute. That's 4 touches. Yan reklamo si Coach Marcos. Siya unang gumalaw dito sa Suffragettes. Simbisenya siya na 4 touches na and Ryan Corpus saw it as well. Lamang na ang Suffragettes by 1. Their first lead of set number 2.
Good save.
Yumang. Abil.
Nice! What a hit by Abil. Kita mo rin yung kamay niya. She was on top of that ball. Great arm swing, great leap, and a great hit.
Timeout para kay Coach Arnaldo Dino. As Suffragettes now up by 2.
Ano lang yun, i-square up mo lang yun. Okay? Magpalit kayo ni Jen. Okay? Pag ganung klase ng palo, yun, ganun ka na. Ako baka mo na ngayon, lalabasan mo. Puro pasalo. Okay? Hindi mo kaya ganito, puro pasalo. Ganito. Pag tama ng bola, naaangat yan. Huwag mo lang kakapitan. Malakas naman yung bola. Pag tama ng bola yun, naaangat yan. Walang pinakaiba sa ganito yan. Okay? Ulit. 2 puntos to. 2 puntos. Wala tayo na ano.
Kapit lang. Hey, Justice! Service!
Some reception techniques there from Coach Dino. Sabi nga, kapag malakas ang bola, patamain nyo lang sa arms. Let it bounce off. Huwag ka nang gumalaw. You just direct the ball to your setter. Ganun lang yun. So, there are different ways to receive the ball and if it's a strong serve, yun ang dapat gawin. Just let it bounce off the arms, direct the ball towards your setter. Yun na yun, aangat na yung bola.
Aleli Boras and company down by 2 points after leading by as many as 5. Ito ang biggest lead nila Jen Rowley and the Suffragettes. Set number 2. They get a chance ball here. Expect Abil to get a hit. There you go, Judith Abil. Inangat ni Pesebre. Pesebre will hit and make an error.
Abel, ilang beses na siya, no? Talagang getting the points for her team. Lovely, good sets from Yumang.
No more timeouts remaining for both teams. Now the biggest lead para sa Suffragettes at 3 points. Pesebre, tinawid ang bola. Chance ball and Abil again. Yes!
Yeah, I knew it. Nice set na nasabi ko na eh. Kasi ang ganda nung distance. It's a bump set, but it's a well-controlled set. It's in the comfort zone of Abil.
Substitution for both teams. Sanglay papasok, Resyo naman papasok. Sanglay coming in for the Suffragettes. And Resyo for the Justice Servers. 4 set points for Gendrauli and the Suffragettes. That's the way out.
Kanina din, no? Isa na lang. Hindi makuha agad ng Comelec. So, ibig sabihin, maganda yung ginagawa ng judiciary. Dahil napapagod nila, pinapagod nila ang Comelec.
All right, so Honorable Mendoza Villapando checking in to serve. They're down 3 set points. Short pass, Yumang to Abil, had to adjust.
Too wide.
So it's just an underhand pass. Boras. Yes! 2 set points saved by the Justice Servers.
Nice wrist action there by Boras. There's that setup and the arm swing. She was on top of that ball. It's very difficult to receive a ball sideways, lalo na if it's an attack. So you have to really face front, squared towards the hitter.
Abil too close to the net naman. That push is outside, so 3 set points given up by the Suffragettes.
And you know, isang point na lang ang talagang hinahanap ng Comelec. But parating, sabi ng judiciary, hindi pwede.
3 straight points. Pinuntos ng Justice Servers. Here's another opportunity to put it away. Abil, off speed. Got it!
So Abil liking that hit. Finally, she ends that set. Abil serving, earning points from the service zone, from the front zone, showing us na diversity of hits meron siya. And the winning shot from Abil.
Abil and Gendrauli with 18 each. Samantalang the only player in double digits para sa Justice Servers, Pesebre with 10 points. And 2-0 advantage para sa Comelec Suffragettes against the Justice Servers going to set number 3. Back here mula sa Paco Arena, it's a 2-0 advantage para sa Suffragettes contra sa Justice Servers, but a much closer set number 2, and took much longer time as well para sa Suffragettes, who were down by as many as 5 points, and they finished it with a 2-point win.
Yeah, we had a lot of longer rallies compared to set 1. Ito ang kwento nung second set. So, more attack points pa rin sa Comelec because, again, mas kontrolado nila yung first ball. There were some blocking points from Justice Servers, and I think the 2 points came from Pesebre. Service aces, again, si Abil, guilty para sa kanyang service aces. Mahirap kasi i-receive talaga yung services niya. At itong errors naman ng Comelec, nanggaling yan, some of those, nanggaling from the services of Verhel, which is an underhand serve. Kasi kahit na underhand, na gagawa niya ng paraan na it is strong and it is loaded, it is heavy, so that yung mga floor defense ng Suffragettes, nahihirapan silang ibigay ng maganda kay Yumang. That's why Yumang, for quite some time, takbo ng takbo sa inside the court, pagod agad. So hindi niya nasi-set up ng maganda yung kanyang hitters.
Alright, so set number 3. Final chance para sa Justice servers to win a set and extend the match kontra sa Suffragettes right here inside the Paco Arena. Second game of our triple header. Earlier today, AFP winning in 4 sets kontra sa DFA. Natala mamaya. We'll have the PNP and the SSS seeing action to close out this Wednesday offering. Dermatubog will serve us to start set number 3. Panagan is in the game for the first time para sa Suffragettes.
Kasi every kanina pa niya tina-target yung gitna yung zone 3. Ay, zone 6 rather. Ayan o. Kahit na nakatalikod siya alam niya kung saan niya ihuhulog yung bola
Also in the game for the first time para sa Suffragettes, we have De Los Santos and also Jean Razos.
Pero si Villanueva, she had that ball, hindi lang niya, ayan o. She just wasn't able to take that one more step. Oh,
Speaking of one more step, Dermatubog kinapos ng steps.
Oo.
One-handed dig is no good and a service ace for Tanagan.
Tanagan wanted to go sharp, so she was targeting a low serve. Unfortunately, it hit the net.
Coach Ricky Marcos on your screens ng Comelec Suffragettes. We're tied at 2. Boras serving. Nangat ni De Los Santos. De Los Santos gets it back and that shot is wide.
Yeah, you know, si De Los Santos, nako, one of the go-to players to talaga. I think she played for Perpetual Health. And she's a really good middle hitter.
Lalamang ang Justice servers by 1, 3-2. Coach Marcos clearing something up sa technical committee, which is why we have a bit of a delay here.
Dermatubog, one of the leaders of the judiciary. Boras, one of the imports, as well as Pesebre.
Alright, si Coach Dino naman.
Oh,
That service into the net.
that could have affected her service. Dahil medyo matagal yung hintay niya.
So 3-all. Jean Razos with the serve. Yuboko. Out to Pesebre. De Los Santos pops it up. Tanagan with the underhand pass. Angeles. Inangat ni Razos. Tanagan to De Los Santos with the tip. Yuboko saves it. Angeles ulit. Oh, and she finds the middle.
You know, Angeles was in the wrong position. She didn't know how to adjust. Look at that. Ang daming shuffle ng feet. But she was able to find that zone sa zone 6. Open spot rather sa zone 6.
So lamang naman ulit ang Justice servers by 1. 4 serving 3.
Good read there by the Comelec Suffragettes. Kita nila, nako, ito na naman si Vergel. This time, let's see, let's watch where the ball goes. And sure enough, no, tama sila dahil mataas pa yung bola nung tumawid ng net. So it was outside. Good first ball.
Azos with the up. Another double contact kontra kay Yumang. That's her 3rd in the game.
Yeah, kanina pa siya no, having problems with the double contact. And si Coach Marcos, Ricky, is already asking the referee, double contact?
Gallo will check in. Papaltan si Vergel. So 5 serving 4. Isa ang kalamangan ng judiciary. Yumang, underhand set na lang. Sabi niya, De Los Santos will get the ball across the net. And Lerma Tubog scores.
Lerma Tubog recognizing De Los Santos is in front of her. Kaya iniwasan niya yung blocker.
Now a 2-point lead para sa Justice Servers. 6 serving 4. Yumang underhand. De Los Santos into the net. Wow, De Los Santos really struggling. 2 errors, no points.
Yeah, at least, ano siya, no, a tad late sa kanyang approach. So that's why that ball went to the net.
Biggest lead para sa Justice Servers, up by 3. Back row for Tanagan. Yuboko, itinawid ang bola underhand. De Los Santos, another hit into the net. 3 errors, no points para kay De Los Santos.
I think Tubog talagang, parang threat talaga siya para kay De Los Santos Kasi taas lang ng kamay ni Tubog. Nag-net na yung kamay ni De Los Santos. Tira.
It wasn't even close. Tanagan. Ito naman, outside.
So Judiciary is really doing a good job having fun, talking inside the court. Kaya timeout muna ang Comelec.
Okay, go. One good pass.
You know, we could only guess what Coach Ricky was saying in that huddle. Pero according to yung mga non-verbal communication niya, na yung reception, kung paano again mag-receive ng bola, huwag kukunin on the side kasi pag kinuha mo on the side, mas less ang control mo nun compared to kapag nasa gitna mo kukunin yung bola. And right now, they're really having a difficult time in their reception. Kaya hindi napapaandar yung mga attackers ng Suffragettes.
Well, 6 of the 9 points ng Justice Servers are errors
Wow.
nitong Suffragettes. So they've given up more than the opposing team has scored. De Los Santos with a push. Boras, pinangat, tatawid ni Yuboko. Right now, that's all the Justice Servers are doing. Tinatawid lang nila because they're expecting errors from the Suffragettes. De Los Santos with the up. Manlapit with a hit. Pesebre. De Los Santos. Another hit outside. 4 errors and no points para kay De Los Santos as we check in with Tiffany Fran.
Jackie and Eric, I have a story on Judith Abel, our best player of the game last May 15th with 21 attacks. And Judith is actually an alumni of the UE Red Warriors where she was an outside hitter and she was also in the PVL. Kaya ngayon nagkaroon siya ng pagkakataon para maglaro dito sa UNTV and she's really bringing all the experience with her in today's match.
Maraming salamat, Tiffany. For Coach Marcos here, I think it's about time ibalik na rin si Judith Abel because tinatakbuhan sila ngayon itong Justice Servers. De Los Santos gets one in finally. But this time, Angeles with the error. That stops the run ng Justice Servers, but they're comfortably ahead by 5.
Yun, nung nagkamali si Angeles, lahat ng teammates niya, parang talaga nagulat because kanina pa nakaka-score si Angeles So we'll see kung paano siya makakabawi.
Pesebre, tinawid ang bola. Yumang, the up. Tanagan with the tip. Tubog to Yuboko. Down the line. Tanagan. Lerma Tubog finds the opening and scores again. The lead is 6 para sa Justice Servers.
alam mo na gusto ni Tubog dalhin doon yung bola. Kasi kita mo kung paano niya tiningnan that zone between 4 and 5. Tapos kung paano niya kinontrol yung bola. Kita mo sa galaw ng kamay niya.
11 serving 5. Just the servers were in the same position in set number 2. They led by as many as 5. Pero ngayon, malaki-laki na to. They're up by 7.
Yeah, there goes that service ace from Angeles. Biglang bagsak yung bola niya. May top spin.
Panagan with a much better pass. And there's another error here. And double contact ulit para kay Yumang.
Very alert kasi si Tubog. So when Yumang tried to put that ball over, wala talagang nandun si Tubog. Kinapos din si Yumang.
You look at Coach Marcos, you're wondering kailan kaya babalik si Gendrauli and Abil as this has really gotten away from them. The lead is now 9 points para sa Justice Servers.
Mukhang narinig ka ni Coach Ricky. Mukhang magsasub na siya eh.
Yabot in the meantime, papasok para kay Boras.
Oh, not yet. But there is a substitution.
Alright, so manlapit po si Sanglay will check in for the first time today. And a side out here. Finally, a point para sa Suffragettes as they are now buried under an 8-point deficit.
You know, you gotta hand it to Coach Ricky Marcos kasi talaga binibigyan niya ng playing time yung ibang players. Kaya pahinga muna si Gendrauli at Abil. Good save by Yuboco.
Inangat ni Yumang. De Los Santos with a hit. Tubog with a tip. May Tanagan with another hit.
Good set. Ooh, sayang.
Razos. Ito na naman si Tanagan on the attack. Gallo pops it up. Back row, Pesebre. Yes!
Good call by Yuboco and Pesebre was ready for that setup. Good takeoff from behind the line for Pesebre.
Back to a 9-point lead para kila Dana Yuboco and the Justice Servers. Bad pass. And it's now official, a 10-point lead para sa Justice Servers. It's the biggest lead for either team. And ito, susunugin na ni Coach Marcos yung kanyang huling timeout.
Hindi tayo makapalo, okay? Mga chance ball, depensa ba? Ganun, may tinuturo ba kami ganun? Di ba dapat nakaharap ka? Tatapatan nyo kasi kung sila yung pumapalo, hindi nyo naman tinatapatan yung pumapalo eh. Okay, kuha lang kayo ng side, okay?
Go team. Team tayo.
Di ba? Para mas matuto pa kayo, maglaro ng volleyball. Go!
Tayo ha, isang receive lang. Maganda, isang receive lang muna na para makaano tayo.
Go team kayo!
Yes! Isa-isahin lang natin ha.
Go team! Go team!
Importante talaga ang reception eh. And that's why sabi ni Coach Ricky, harapin yung bola, tapatan nyo. When you say tapatan nyo, naka-square yung shoulders doon sa hitter.
Alright, let's go courtside to Tiffany Fran.
Jackie and Eric with the Judiciary Justice Servers down by 2 sets this match. Let's take a look at how they prepare for their game. So Judiciary has been training for only twice a week and their chemistry is something that really needs to be worked on as only 5 players from Season 1 remained in Season 2. So with a whole new team, new coach, and all of these new factors that contribute to it, this is the performance that we're seeing and we hope to see more from the Justice Servers.
Oh, that's why it's important yung communication inside the court, loud and clear. Kasi nga, they're still building up their chemistry.
Right now, chemistry looks good. They're up by 10. Tanagan. They're going to be up by 11 now. Tanagan with the attack error.
Alam mo, kanina pa si Tubog eh. Kahit sinong middle hitter, itaas na niya yung kamay niya, natitreten na yung middle hitter. They are forced to commit errors.
Almost an ace. It will be an ace.
Wow, what is going on with the Suffragettes? Their reception is their problem. Kasi naman, talagang binibigatan ng justice servers yung mga bola nila, especially from the service zone.
And looking at the bench, andun naman si Jendrauli and Abil. You're wondering why the hold-up if you're Coach Ricky Marcos. Bring some of your starters back to get the offense going because it's clearly not working with Tanagan back-to-back errors. Another ace, Dada Yuboko and Comelec without any more timeouts. So they can't call a stop here. And they can only call a sub.
Yes.
They are calling a sub. Pero right now they're gonna put
They
it.
can't anymore.
Not yet. Oh, nag-whistle na for the serve. But Manuel was about to check in. Maria Manuel. Yuboko sets it. Jean Razos sa atake. Yabut inangat. Tubog will send it over. Underhand. Tanaga na atake ulit. There's a push and a point.
Finally, Tanagan going, winning that point for her team kanina kasi pag malakas yung tira niya na net. So this time, she tips that ball over and finds the floor.
Honorable Mendoza Villapando checks back in. Papuntan si Angeles. Yabut with a hit and it's outside.
Malamig pa si Yabut. But you gotta love it, di ba? Pwede silang mag-commit ng errors kasi ang layo ng hahabulin ng Comelec.
There's Lerma Tubog, inangat ni Tanagan. Tanagan will hit. Yuboko pops it up. And Tanagan scores. The dig is no good.
Yeah, Tanagan showing us, pwede siya mag-power tip, pwede siyang mag-strong hit. She can be one of the reliable players for the Comelec Suffragettes. Oh.
Well, this will definitely take a miracle para sa Suffragettes as they are down by 12 points. There's Jendrauli on the bench. Lerma Tubog with a service fault. Also, De Los Santos papasok for the Suffragettes. You're wondering, Comelec is ranked 4th. Right now, still in the top 4, pero they're not too far ahead kontra sa Senado as Tanaga will serve it outside. So, they need every set.
Yes.
Because pag may mga tie, they will
Yeah.
count the sets
Correct.
and the points. So you're wondering why right now Coach Marcos not fielding in some of his key players para makabalik in this set number 3 because it looks like they might drop this set and they will have to go 4 or 5 if Judiciary wins set number 4 as well. Manuel papasok for Razos. Meantime, Recio babalik for the Justice Servers for Lerma Tubog. They are only 3 points away from winning set number 3. Good looking serve. Wala kay Manuel. Tanagan pops it up.
Good up.
De Los Santos tatawid ang bola. Here comes Mendoza Villapando with a hit, and it's just outside.
So that's a point that's badly needed by Comelec.
So from up 14, as you look at Comelec, from down 14, they are within 10. Double digits pa rin ang hahabulin nila dito, while the Justice Servers only need to score 3 points.
Good up.
Tanagan mula sa back row. Resio pops it up. Mendoza Villapando sends it over.
Nice, good receive.
De Los Santos with a push, and it catches the line. So De Los Santos finally getting her rhythm. Her second point after committing 4 straight errors.
That's a good push to zone 1. Nobody was there.
It is a 9-point game now from down 14. 13 serving 22.
Oh,
Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Justice servers after that service fault ni Manuel. And they're 2 points away. Itong Justice servers from winning set number 3. Short pass mula kay De Los Santos. Nice hit mula kay Castillo. The libero, De Los Santos. Overpass here. Oh, yes! Reso, an overpass. And that'll be 11 set points para sa Justice servers.
you know, that's the oldest trick in the book. Alam mong over yung bola, tumalon si Yumoko para maloko niya yung defenders ng kalaban na network.
De Los Santos with a hit. Gallo inangat. Pesebre can put it away right here. And not yet. Sabi ni De Los Santos, Pesebre tries again. Manuel with the up. Battle at the net. And sumabit si De Los Santos. That's her 5th error and that'll do it. So set number 3.
You know, the story of this set was really the reception of the Suffragettes. They were just really having a hard time putting that ball up. Kasi kahit anong atake, kahit anong serve na ibigay ng judiciary, hindi nila maiangat ng tama eh. Nahihirapan si Yumang, kaya nga ang dami ring double contact called on her. Pinapahabol nila si Yumang. So the attackers are not placed in good positions. So this coming set, tingnan natin how they'll be able to adjust.
Justice servers win set number 3 and extend this match to at least a 4th setter. But the Suffragettes still up 2-1 going into set number 4. Back inside the Paco Arena for an upcoming 4th set sa pagitan ng Suffragettes and Justice servers, because the Justice servers with a commanding 3rd set win 25-13 in just 21 minutes.
You know, I'm really interested kung bakit hindi pinasok agad ni Coach Marcos.
Hindi pinasok at all. Doon sa stress. When he pulled them out, they never returned.
They never returned. Kung ba't nga niya hindi binalik, rather. So, maybe may kwento yun. I'm sure may reason doon. But ito yung naging kwento nung set na yun. Look at the errors of the Suffragettes. They really had a difficult time putting that ball up. And judiciary, sila naman ngayon ang merong mas madaming service aces. 5 as opposed to just 1 from the Suffragettes. Attack points, pareho lang 6. So, let's see. Ito, balik na. Nakikita natin ang Suffragettes. Nandiyan na agad on the floor. Si Jendrauli at saka si Abil. And Abil seems like she's going to be the first server again. So if she can score from the service zone right away and build their momentum, they may be able to get this 4th set fast. Pero kung ang judiciary is going to be on their toes at saka aalamin nila kung paano nila correctly i-receive yung mga malalakas na tira ni Abil and the rest of the Suffragettes, they might be able to get this set and stretch it to 5 sets.
All right, so set number 4 just about to get underway. Thanks for watching sa UNTV News and Rescue channels on YouTube and Facebook. Second game of our triple header.
Verhel, ang galing ng game niya kanina.
Yep.
I like the way that she put those balls up. Kasi hinahabol niya talaga yung bola. Yumang, the sole setter ng Suffragettes.
Abil with 18 points. Jendrauli also with 18. 2 top scorers para sa Suffragettes. Samantalang only 1 player in double digits for the Justice servers. That's Pesebre with 12. There's an ace to start things off. That's going to be ace number 6 para kay Abil.
And ito sa itsura pa lang nila, from that first serve, alam mo, ayaw nilang patagalin itong game na to. So let's see. Will the Lady Justice servers be able to stop them? Oh, there you go. They stopped themselves with that service error.
That's a 33rd error in total para sa
Wow.
Suffragettes. Only 19 errors para sa Justice servers.
That's a lot of errors.
Yeah, it's almost a set and a half. Good pass. Gendrauli off the chest of Vergel. Angeles off speed hit. Yumang underhand pass. Gendrauli mula sa gitna. Got it.
Again, kailangan paanda rin si Gendrauli sa gitna kasi mahirap siyang kunin eh. Mahirap siyang i-block, mahirap din i-receive yung mga bola niya. There goes that hit. It was a little touched. I think there was a touch on the blocker's hand there. Kaya medyo mahirap for the floor defender to put that ball up na iba kasing direksyon.
Yuboko. Pupunta kay Pesebre. Almost caught
Yeah.
by attorney Fernando.
Ayun yung nangyari. There. Pati siya na shock.
So 2-all.
What happened?
Ito na naman si Vergel with the serve. Gendrauli looking for point number 20. Pesebre. Good dig. Coming from Abil. Pesebre again. Yuboko. 1-2 play. Manlapit. Takabang. Abil. Vergel pops it up. Ito si Boras. Angeles, attorney Nakon with the save. Abil pushes it all the way to the back row. Yuboko, Pesebre. Nangat ni Yumang overpass. Pesebre with a hit. Attorney Nakon passes. Boras. Here comes Pesebre again. Oh, attorney Nakon with a nice save. Chance ball for the Justice servers. Abil, Yumang to Manlapit. With the help of the net.
Good decision by Yumang to give it to Manlapit. No, reliable hitter din naman si Manlapit eh when she's in front. Natawa na lang doon si Pesebre. Ito yung kwento talaga ng game na to eh. Ang hahaba ng mga rallies. Kasi lahat talaga sila gumagalaw on the floor.
3 serving 2. Good serve.
Yeah, sharp.
Hindi gumapang yon across the net for Angeles. So 2-point lead para kay Yumang and the Suffragettes. Short pass. Pesebre, gagawa ng paraan. Yumang pops it up.
Good up.
And another point. Gendrauli now with 20.
So alam mo na, di ba? Kapag nakikita mo na yung setup ni Yumang sa kanya is close to the net, makukuha ni Gendrauli yun. Makukuha niya yung puntos.
5-2. 3-point lead para sa Suffragettes. That serve is wide para kay Yumang.
Actually, pwede kang mag-adjust eh, dyan sa service zone. Pwede kang tumayo in the middle. Pwede kang tumayo sa anywhere actually. That's the new rule. Unlike nung 80s, nasa box ka lang, di ba?
So 3 serving 5. Yumang to Gendrauli.
Good
Nice
hit.
dig para kay Pesebre. Angeles hits it across the net. Gendrauli ulit. Nope, not this time. But wait a minute. May block touch. Itatawag
there
kontra
was
sa
a touch.
Justice servers.
Oh, yeah. Oo, yung left hand ni Tubog.
So back to a 3-point lead para sa Suffragettes with Gendrauli. Strong serve is good.
Yeah, it's very hard to receive her services na overhead. Kailangan talaga you take it in front.
First ace para kay Gendrauli and first timeout para sa Justice servers.
siyang short ball, yung kita. Para ano, titirahin ng service. Okay? Alright, ulit. Balik tayo. Balikan natin yung receive natin ulit. Para mapalo tayo. Sino sa harap?
German, si Dada, tsaka si Jack.
Dalawa. Yung bigyan mo na lang alanganin mabagal lang na si dulo. Para hindi hahapon yung malilig. Sakali umabol, malilig. Mabilis lang ang bola.
Ako na, tulong na tayo. Ako na.
Ha?
Labut! Hey, Justice!
So, a lot of reminders there, particularly for Yuboko. Kasi siya yung playmaker, siya yung setter. So, narinig natin kung anong setups. But it all depends on the first ball.
A good 4-point lead para sa Suffragettes. Yuboko has been making great decisions since the first set. 6 points para kay Yuboko. But 22 para kay Gendrauli already. Tubog is short.
Masyadong careful yung hit ni Lerma Tubog. She has to be more aggressive in her hits.
Biggest lead now, 5 points para sa Suffragettes. Let's go to Tiffany Fran.
Eric and Chicky, speaking of the Suffragettes, I was able to talk to one of the biggest supporters, actually two of them, Rachel and Laika from the Office of the Deputy Executive Director for Operations. And they're here to support specifically players that they're big fans of. That's Dan Gendrauli and Ik Hernan. And because they're also here to support the fact that this league will help them contribute to their chosen beneficiary. Back to you, Chicky and Ann.
Yeah. And chosen beneficiary ng COMELEC ay ang Provident for Injured and Killed Personnel in Action.
Gendrauli pops it up. From the back row, Gendrauli scores!
You know, kahit saan mo ilagay si Gendrauli, threat siya eh. Pero ito, isang threat din for the judiciary, si Bejek. Kanina she performed well. She had some hard hits. Pinahirapan niya ang floor defense ng COMELEC, Suffragettes.
Bejek, 1 attack, 1 point. Let's see if she can be more productive here in set number 4. Ang Justice servers down by 5 already. And Lapid with a serve. Ito si Bejek. Yes!
There you go.
Right away. Instant impact.
Alam mo, gusto mo yun eh, na kung kakapasok mo lang, bibigyan ka kaagad para makapuntos ka. Kasi ikaw sa sarili mo, yung timing mo, gusto mo makuha agad eh. Para pag na-set up ka ulit, alam mo, mas confident ka to approach.
Yumang passes. Eto si Abil. Dug by Angeles. Pirawid ni Boras. Abil. Got it.
Abil this time, mas sharper yung hit niya. That's why nahirapan na floor defense ng judiciary.
Sub here para sa Suffragettes. Hernan will come in for Shyla Tan. Ten-5 ang ating talaan. Lamang ng 5 ang Suffragettes. They're also up 2 sets to 1. Service outside for Hernan. The serve specialist. Samantala, magsasub din si Coach Dino. As De La Rosa comes back in. Number 17. Ito si Bejek, set to serve. Abil with 20 points already. Pesebre finds the opening and scores.
Yeah, she noticed na nasa harap si Abil at alam niyang ibablock siya ni Abil. But since single blocker lang si Abel, she was able to find, you know, a way para maiwasan itong si Abel.
2 straight points para sa Justice servers, and it's a 3-point game. Yumang on a tip. Verhel overpasses. Abel will tip it outside. And yung 5-point lead nila down to 1.
Kaya dapat talaga when you're playing volleyball, even your emotions are controlled, diba? Kasi sometimes it gets the best of you. Nasusobrahan yung tulak, nasusobrahan yung serve.
Beg your pardon, down to 2 ang kalabangan ng Suffragettes. Abel will send it outside. Now it's down to 1.
Yan, sobrang gigil lang. Sometimes when you want na makabawi agad dun sa error mo, na-over yung pagtira. That's the one that went out.
Abel,
Nice. Yan.
finally,
Finally, no? Hininaan niya yung with a rolled shot, yung tira niya with a rolled shot, landed on that donut hole.
one important thing, out of the 9 points ng judiciary, 6 nun, errors nila Abel and the Suffragettes.
Good save.
Pesebre. Speaking of errors, back-to-back para dito sa Justice servers. Two straight points para kay Judith Abel and the Suffragettes. Short pass. Nice hit, Jen Drowley.
Kita mo the way that she hit that ball, nag-letter C yung katawan niya Kita mo to. Ayun, nag-C. So, tumaas yung paa, tapos yung niya, pagtira niya ng bola, the arm swing was a full one, kaya malakas yung bagsak ng bola.
Back to a 4-point lead. Biggest was 5 para sa Suffragettes.
Good save.
Pesebre. Yes!
Verhel doing a good job for the judiciary, justice servers. Ilang bola na rin yung na-save niya from the net.
It's a 3-point game ulit. 10 serving 13. Boras with the serve. Yumang. Jendrauli. Pinangat ni Bejek. Jendrauli sets it para kay Abel. The up by Boras. Tinawid ni Pesebre. Jendrauli ulit. Another dig from Boras. Pesebre.
Good dig!
And it crosses the net. Yes, what a save para sa Suffragettes.
Yeah, I was gonna say, ang ganda ng save. Yun yung mga save na hindi mo akalain, matatawid mo yung bola. There's that good dig. And Jen Drowley bringing that ball over, earning the point for their team.
Nice
Kanina pa
off-speed ni Pesebre.
Yeah. Kanina pa talaga target ni Pesebre yung donut hole na yan. The Suffragettes couldn't find a way to adjust to cover that hole.
11 serving 14. Verhel again at the service area. Jendrauli looking for a kill. Got him.
Yeah, yan yung reason kung bakit kapag server ka, hindi pwedeng easy ball. Kasi makakaset up agad yung kalaban at pag nandyan si Jen Rowley sa harap, very easy to set her up. And it's going to be quite difficult to keep the ball alive when she hits the ball.
Good pass by Bejek. Verhel inangat para kay Pesebre. Jendrauli to Abel. Bejek mula sa back row. Jendrauli, the power push is on the line and the lead is back to 5. Their biggest, the Suffragettes.
Nicely done by, look at that, wiped it off the hand of Pesebre.
Let's check in with Tiffany Fran.
Eric and Chicky, itong Judiciary Justice servers talagang napaka-hopeful na makaka 5 sets sila dito sa match na to. At one of the things that they are really holding on to is what attorney Tali and Ting, who is not here with us today, said. And that is usap, enjoy, and galaw. And that is what they've been reiterating in their huddles and timeouts this set. Back to you.
Well, they're having a rough time here in set number 4. They're down by 6. Second and last timeout na to para kay Coach Dino. We'll listen in.
Sabi yung mabigat ang bola ng service, kailangan susugudin nyo. Mabanggay nyo. Kasi pag hihintayin nyo, mahirapan kayo talaga. No, kasi late eh. Pag hinihintay nyo, late, ganun ang bola. Oh. Kaya ganun, lusog tayo sa bola. Okay? O, isa pang puntos. Kunin natin yung first hit. Set. Angat mo na ng konti, bahala na si Vicente.
Tumama ng konting lambing. Konting lambing.
Ha? Isa lang. Come on. What tayo? Maka-side out.
Marami tayo. Hey, Justice! Service!
Nakakatawa si...
Masyadong masyadong. Masyadong mataas eh. Lambingan mo.
Tayo, di ba? Ganun yan eh, ha? Paulit-ulit na lang yan, yung cycle ng volleyball. Dapat alam nyo na yan.
Sobrang! Yes!
Nakakatawa si Dada Yuboko. Sabi nga niya, bigyan mo naman ng konting lambing yung first ball. Ibig sabihin, soften the first ball. Kasi mahihirapan yung setter eh kapag strong and fast. No? Kapag malambing yung bola, mas madaling iakyat, itaas ng setter yon. Sabi nga ni Coach Dino when you take it on the side, ibig sabihin late ka na. Hindi ka nakahabol. Dapat kasi parating sa harap mong rini-receive yung bola eh.
Vergel passes. Eto si Pesebre. Manlapit on the attack. Bejek with an overhead toss. Gendrauli. Nice chase by Vergel.
Yeah.
Keep it alive and good effort para sa Justice Servers as they get the point.
You know, si Vergel, talagang she's everywhere. Kahit saan yung bola hahabulin niya, she's going to keep that ball alive. And she was able to set up her attacker for that.
Shyla Tan sends it outside.
Pero you gotta love Yumang. Hindi lang siya solely depending on Gendrauli when she's in front. Pinibigyan din niya ng pagkakataon yung iba na makapuntos. Good dig.
Gendrauli blocked by Bejek. The rally continues. Good effort by Gendrauli. Keep it alive. Ito na naman si Gendrauli. And that's on the line. There's a net touch as well mula kay Bejek.
And kung gusto niyo malaman kung ano ang malambing na reception, ayan, yung panoorin niyo si Abil. Malambing yung kanyang first ball.
At Yuboko is back in the game. Napaltan si Dolorosa. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ni Gendrauli and the Suffragettes. Bejek. Yes!
And you know, that attack was possible because of Vergel. Ang lakas nung serve ni Gendrauli, but she was able to put that ball up right where Yuboko was.
4-point game.
Nice
Abil.
set.
Abil will set it. Ito si Gendrauli. Bejek with a push. Shyla Tan pops it up. Tinawid ni Yumang. Bejek fakes it. Yung off-speed hit. Abil blocked again by Bejek. Abil ulit. Yuboko. Exciting rally. Boras. Abil. Vergel with a dig. Shyla Tan. Bad pass. Gendrauli. Bejek. Tan
Good cover.
pops it up. And may net touch Bejek. Her second straight net violation.
Wow! Ang ganda pa naman sana nun. There's that net touch. Oh, yung tip ng finger niya tumama sa tape ng net.
Manlapit with the serve. Balik sa lima ang kalamangan ng Suffragettes. Boras. Got it.
Ganda ng bawi ng Justice servers. Oh, outside.
Definitely be outside.
Yeah, too much power in that serve.
Balik sa lima. Kalamangan ng Suffragettes. Boras underhand pass. Abil. Off speed. Finds the middle. And scores. Back to the biggest lead now para sa Suffragettes at 6 points.
That's a good roll shot to the middle. Nobody was home. Good save.
One-handed dig para kay Gendrauli. Abil again. Abil outside.
Frustrated. Those are, ito yung, alam mo yung malapit ka na, kaya lang na-out mo lang yung bola mo. I'm pretty sure frustrated si Abil doon.
Lerma Tubog serving 16-21.
Nice. Ang ganda. Very smart move from Abil. There were 2 blockers in front of her, but not a problem. Tips it to zone 4. Nobody was home.
23 points para kay Abil. She has 6 aces. Let's see if she can get 7 here. The lead is back to 6 para sa Suffragettes. Boras. Yes!
Si Boras din, no? Yung mga critical hits, doon niya napapasok yung mga puntos na badly needed by her team.
Quietly, Boras with 7. Make that 8 points. Five-point game.
Wow.
Gendrauli with 28 points.
Yeah, what a hit by Gendrauli. Inspired hit ang tawag dyan. Look at this. Ganda ng elevation niya.
Two points away from winning the match. Itong Suffragettes, 23-17. Pesebre. Nangat ni Manlapit. The save will be no good para kay Abil. It's a game of side-outs right now sa pagitan ng dalawang koponan.
And don't look now, Verhel is up to serve. Kala mo madali lang to kasi underhand, pero kanina pahirap ang Suffragettes sa services niya. That's a good first ball.
Verhel
dig.
with an overpass. Manlapit. Pesebre.
Nicely done by Pesebre. Kita niya, Gendrauli was there, used the block to earn the point. Kamang ginawa niyo, pinadaan niya talaga sa kamay ni Gendrauli.
19 points para kay Laarni Pesebre. And it's a 4-point game now. 2 straight points. Pinuntos ng Justice servers. What a save by
Yeah.
Verhel. Iboko.
Oh, wow! Alam mo, pinapractice yun eh. Pero that time, hindi niya yata sadya yun.
Nangalahati yung kalamangan ng Suffragettes. And Coach Marcos will call a timeout.
Siya na naman. Tingnan mo, pag ganyan yung service, hindi tayo makapatay, okay?
Dalawa na.
Handa ka, okay? Sige, okay. Relax na kayo, okay? Isang magandang receive lang, isang magandang set, paluin natin, ha? Huwag tayo masyado magmamadali. Huwag tayo magmamadali sa receive, okay? Chance mo lang yung service nila, ha? Go.
Ate na to ha, dalawa lang. Dalawa na lang. Sobrang! Yes!
Kasi pag minamadali yung receive. Oh wait, that's the net.
Just in case magbiglang mag-double, ikaw na humabol ng drop ball ng 10 ball, ha? O, sige, sige. Tulong-tulong sa loob. Tulong-tulong.
Let's go, let's go. Kaya mo na.
Hey, Justus!
Yung reception kasi talaga crucial yan eh. Napapabagal mo, napapabilis mo yung bola. So kung mabilis yung bola mo from the first ball to the setter, mas mahirap to set up. Kaya kanina pa si Coach Marcos, no, parati niyang sinasabi, dahan-dahan lang yung reception, huwag mamadaliin.
Just the servers on a 3-point run. Again on the Verhel serve. Gentrauli.
Nice.
And that'll put the Suffragettes at 4 match points.
You could see, no, the blocker was there, but Gendrauli very easily was able to avoid the blocker.
Bad pass. Verhel
Good
pops
save.
it up. Going to be a chance ball here. And Gendrauli looking for the win. Angeles to Pesebre. Another chance. Oh, nice save para kay Abil. Yuboko, jump set, Pesebre with the tip. Manlapit to Abil.
Smart.
Pesebre passes at the net.
Good
Yuboko.
coverage.
Angeles. Abil inangat. Abil from the back row. A long rally for the Suffragettes looking for their winning point. Pesebre, tatawid ang bola. Wow. Walang bumibitiw for both teams. Finally,
That's
Gentrauli delivers 30 points. And that's the game as the Suffragettes win in 4 and against the Justice Servers.
You know, the story of this game, sobrang daming long rallies because, you know, both teams want to win. Ganda ng galaw nila, floor defense. Verhel did a good job really for the judiciary, justice servers. She had a lot of saves. But on the other side, Gendrauli, wow, what hits, what services. And she was such a leader on the floor.
One of 2 players in double digits, 30 points in total para kay Danica Gendrauli.